Welcome back, everyone. In this demo, I'll demo how to create an EBS volume and attach it to an EC2 instance. So we're starting at the console home. So we need to go to the EC2 area to do this. I'll type in EC2 and click EC2 right here. Now, these are created to attach to an EC2 instance, so that's why we're going here. Under EC2 console, we go down in the navigation pane on the left. If you don't have the navigation pane, remember the three lines here brings back your navigation pane. Go down to Elastic Block Store, Volumes, and we see some volumes through here. This is in B and C, and I'm going to create a volume. Now, this is where we create the EBS volume, and we have some options. Do we want to create a general purpose 2, a general purpose 3, an IOPS SSD? Let's click that for a moment. We can see the IOPS is minimum of IOPS of 100 up to 5,000. Okay, so we're not going to do that, but this is where you can select the right option for your application. And I'm selecting the general purpose. Now, next is the size of the volume. The default, they start out at 100 gigabytes. You could select whatever size you need here. And next is the IOPS is displayed from our previous choice. Now, the availability zone, you must create this in the availability zone that your EC2 instance is in. It cannot span across availability zones. So I happen to know that my instance is in B, so I'm not going to select US East 1A. I'll select US East 1B. Okay, so we'll be able to attach this if we wanted to. And then a snapshot ID. This gives us the option to create this volume with a previous snapshot from another volume. That could be very helpful for you. Next is encryption. Do we want to encrypt the data and keep this encrypted? Not at this time. That's a very nice feature, but we're not going to select that at this time. Tags, I always like to add a tag here, and we'll say the name is EBS. I'll say 01, and it's in this C region, so I'll put C at the end. No, I put B, I believe. B, and create the volume. So very quickly, it creates our volume right here. Here's our volume. And it says it's creating over on the right. Let's give it a moment, and we can refresh right here. And now it says it's available. So I'll select this volume and then go to Actions. And we could modify, create a snapshot. We want to go down to Attach a Volume. And this is where we would select which instance we want to attach this to. And we could select either one of these two. This one is stopped, but I will select Test 03, the name of this one. And this is how the device name will show up in this device. And I would click Attach right here to complete the process of attaching it to the EC2 instance. I'm not going to attach it on this one because I would just delete it afterwards. But thank you for watching. This is how you create an EBS volume.